Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial. And so today I'll be teaching you how to play, Eze Ebube by Neon Adejo. It's a lovely worship song. I hope you learn something from it. Okay, Eze Ebube, see how far you brought me. So that's the song. It's very nice. Okay, so I'll play in the key of C, then I give you a full piano tutorial, guys. Okay, let's go. Alright, more than my mouth can testify, more than my mind can comprehend. Yeah, I've seen the wonders of your grace. I'm so sure that this is not the end. Oh, Eze Ebube, see how far you brought me. Eze Ebube, I'm so far you find me worthy. I can see, I can tell, and I know it's your grace. I will see all my praise to your name. Eze Ebube, see how far you brought me. Eze Ebube, I'm so glad you found me worthy. I can see, I can tell, and I know it's our grace. I will, Almighty, alright, Almighty, I will see your grace. Alright, guys, it's a very simple and straightforward song. So I'm gonna start with the the verse. Okay, I'm gonna start with the verse. Okay, with the verse. So I'm starting more than. So it's a one. So it's a one. C major. More than. They'll go to two. Alright, so I prefer to play two D minor. Okay, I prefer to play the inversion. Alright, this is the inversion of two. Then the three as well. I prefer to play the inversion because I was supposed to play this. Right, more than my mouth can testify. Alright, now I prefer to play the inversions of the more than my mouth can testify. Alright, the same thing. Not the same thing, you go to one again. More than, now that's C major. More than, now five. My mouth, right, that's five. G major. My mouth can comprehend. Come back to one. Alright, that's C major. See, I've seen. Now, see, I've seen one. C major. C minor. The wonders of your, then C minor, your grace, C minor, E minor, alright, E minor, oh this, E minor, okay, I'm so sure, one again, alright, C major, this, okay, G major, this is not the end, alright, so it's more than, testify. Alright, one, that's three, more than five. My mouth can comprehend. Okay, see, I've seen one and two minor and three minor, that's E minor. I'm so sure, C major and five major, this is the C major. Then the chorus, oh, now. Eze Ebube, see how far you brought me. So then, six minor, La, that's A minor. Then I'm playing the inversions. right? Then that's G major, all right? F major. I'm playing the inversions, okay? All right, that's E minor, A minor, G major, F major, and 3 minor, okay? All right, now I can see, all right, I can see, so it's the one, the inversions, okay? This is the second inversion of C major, all right? I can see, I was using galaxy there on that icons. All right, I can see, I can tell, all right, I can C major, I can D minor, I can E minor, and F major, and 6, all right, and 6 minor, and 5, and 1. All right, so I was playing something like this. I can see, all right, la so far. Then I'm playing the 2, la so far, okay, ti la so. I go to the third with the broken chord. So la so fa, I go to the second. Ti la so, I go to the third. Okay, now do ti la, I go to the 4. That's F major. I will see all my days, C major. I will see your praise, C major. Right now, my heart is full. My heart is the same thing. My heart is full of gratitude, something like that. Then you come back to the chorus. Okay, guys, that's the rundown of the song. I hope you learned something. Do it to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.